Hey everyone! Want to level up your Photoshop edits using Nano Banana AI? Let me show you how. Let's get started. First, open the Photoshop and make sure that you have a generative AI enabled. Nano Banana AI works as an AI prompt style or workflow that you can use inside generative fill or AI image editing tools. First, open your photo, then use a lasso tool or mark tool to select the area that you want to generate or edit. Then here, click the generative fill and then type your Nano Banana AI prompt, like this example prompt here. And after done typing your prompt, click generate and let the Photoshop do the magic. Wait for it and choose the best variations. You can fine tune using layers, masking, color balance, and camera raw for polished result. And Nano Banana AI works best with clear prompts and detailed descriptions. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.